Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. US and UK markets will be shut on Monday for a bank holiday. Release of German IFO Business Climate Index will be the highlight of the day. Australia's April retail sales and US May consumer confidence will be the most interesting economic releases on Tuesday. German June GfK consumer climate and May inflation report will be top events of the European session on Wednesday. American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report will be the highlight of the US session. Australia's April building approvals, Eurozone May consumer confidence, US first quarter GDP second estimate, US weekly jobless claims, and US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report will be top economic events on Thursday. Release of China's May manufacturing and services PMIs will be in focus in Asian session on Friday. German April retail sales and Eurozone preliminary May CPI will be key events of European session. US April PCE price index, April personal income and spending, and Canada's first quarter GDP will be the most important economic releases of the US session.